Bobby. Thank you. So, hi guys! It's me! Pretty Minako again, and I'm with my boyfie. Hi boyfie! So, magbabalik-bayan po tayo. Yan, buti na naman may boyfriend tayo. Perks of having a boyfriend. Hi, Bobby. Hi guys!
Hi vlog, welcome to my day.
Hi girls, welcome to my vlog. Yeah, it's good to be back. Uy, masagal lang. Uy. Chat time. Alis ang tabla next time naman grocery. Sino? Halos guys. Ayan yung airdrop nyo. Dinner with friends. So, I'm gonna meet my friends. Ito naman, tignan nyo. Ngayon. Tignan yung gravy. Yes. Ay, magulang nito.
Anak, kaya na kayo.
Pasubo tayo. Only in the Philippines. Grocery shopping.
Hati po kami dito sa Seoul.
So we're here at RD. It's a public. Sino yung public? Yeah. You see that? Yes. Ano kayo, man? Karaoke in public.
Can you feel that? Yeah. We're playing with love tonight. It's not about the money. We don't need your money. It's the life. We do this for the love, so we fight and sacrifice dito ako sa isa. Best sama ako. I'll support you.
So yan po yung ano.
Ian, what's your purpose? That's a good speed right there. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me out of dark. If I lose you, baby, tell me no clear skies. If I lose you, baby, just like a cloud.
nasa healthy relationship.
Kala mo, bro, kayo, no?
Sunog black out. Sunog. Oh, ganyan. Mall. Thank you, Araneta. Look, it's all dark. Napaka-memorable talaga. I love this place. It's scary.
Thank you for coming to my concert. Thank you, Annette.
Oh my God. It's scary. Ito nga. All dark. Napaka-memorable talaga itong araw na to. I love this place. Pinagkanta mo
Because you know, so we're in like inside the party.
Dili, picture ko yung dali ang ganda. Pero wala yung
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Kaya mo na. Dito na po mga bars na.
Siya yung nag-gaganon.
Oh my God!
Ako pinipigil lang.
Heidi.
Smile. Smile na ba ko sa'yo?
Brother, ano pangalan mo ulit?
Isan to. This is the street.
Ilapit mo to, Ben.
Oh. Yan ang sugi-sugi.
Tignan mo yun.
Wala siya, eh. Magbiti pala siya.
Hi guys, so after 5 years of not eating, I made
Talaga ba?
These are my friends. This is the most mataray.
Most mataray.
Second mataray.
Second mataray.
This is mabait. So, kain po kami ng isaw. Ayan po yung best friend ko. Ayan, sit sila. Ano mo reaction mo? Reaction challenge. Reaction. Get it. Ganyan na naman.
Ay,
Isaw.
hindi kayo na parikil na.
Bicheso kasi.
Uy, heart. Smile.
Edi wow. Pwede bang ano? Iwalay na lang kayo na.
Tignan niyo yun.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Shoutout ko po para si Ate Coffee. Galing po siya ng Japan. Japangasinan.
Japan kasi ng girl.
Japangasinan girl na siya ngayon. Alright.
Yan, tignan yung traffic. Damn.
Pupunta kami ng Isim ngayon.
Ikaw? So,
Sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. So,
0.5. Astig no, 0.5 ay.
Amay.
kakain kami, breakfast. Welcome to the Philippines.
May laman to.
This is Ashley. Bye. Gapo. Everyone. Hi, everyone. Oh, she's. Look siya. Wait. Sorry, B.
Tapos, yung kasabay ko, katabi ko.
Yun na inantay ko kanina, yung pau.
Every time I try to forget who I am,
I-invade natin yung ano. I-invade natin yung SM.
You know me. Hoy, Kiera.
I-invade natin. Uy, tabi-tabi tayo muna.
Every time I'm trying to forget. Thank you, Hamlet. Hi guys. So we're here. Thanks, Hamlet.
Our personal
Behind the scenes.
driver. Lapit, ay.
Wala ulit naman. Hamlet, sorry na.
Thank you so much.
Eh, Macdo.
Macdo yun, di ba?
Ay, ang cute na ito.
Uy, Zan, picture mo ako dito. Zan, ka dito.
Sige.